Winner ही winner है. We don't repeat our prints again. We have to cancel our paid orders because they are already sold out from our exhibits.
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं हुनर टॉक्स और मैं हूं आपके साथ हेमलता गोयल। और आज हम हैं एक बैंगलोरी बेस्ड डिज़ाइनर के साथ जिनका नाम है नीरव, और वो निफ्ट से पास आउट हैं। और उनके डिज़ाइंस अगर आप देखेंगे तो आप कहेंगे वाओ, यूनिसेक्स डिज़ाइंस हैं और दोनों के लिए बने हुए हैं। और उनके पास सब कॉटन और प्योरली कॉटन बेस्ड डिज़ाइंस हैं जिनको हम अभी दिखाते हैं और उनसे ही हम डिटेल में बात करते हैं।
We're a gender neutral brand, so we work with artisans globally regarding the crafts. Like you have something like batiks from Indonesia, ajraks from Sindh. You also have kalamkari down south. So we work with artisans
Okay.
globally, and it's been inspired from a Japanese concept of clothing where men and women have a similar fit. You have different silhouettes.
Okay.
You have something like asymmetric shirts. You also have zippers. You also have the dhoti pants like what I'm wearing.
Okay.
So we have different SKUs, but limited but exclusive ones.
All right. In textile concept, we see
Yeah.
there is lot of competition. So
Right.
how do you means like meet that barrier, and how do you means like position yourself?
So keeping India as a price sensitive market, we say that whatever you buy from us is more like a family investment where men and women, both of you can wear
Yeah,
it.
definitely. That's
So we leave that choice to the client. What are you more comfortable with?
how means like one shirt, one design is processed and come to the market.
Right. So there are different crafts. Like you have something like batik. So initially the design is traced on the fabric, the wax is applied over it, and then it's dyed. And the final product, what you see from the time that we start placing an order with our artisans for the fabric to the final product, takes around 60 to 90 days of time. So what you see is individually handmade, and we don't repeat our prints again.
In coming 5 years, how do you see your brand means like to be positioned in the market?
So in the coming 5 years, I would consider the next 6 months. That's how we don't think about the step number 5. We think about step 1 right now. So we're going online. We're focusing online also. We also have our own website. It's called turns.com. So you can have a look on the website. All things are listed there.
How government is supporting you, and means like what kind of expectation you have from the government?
The government has always been supportive to a lot of like someone like Karigar Bazaar has Mr. Amir sir, Amir Ali.
Alright.
He's always been supportive to push these things, and that's a great initiative with them.
You believe that hunar, basically the art
Yeah.
and the concept, hunar
Right.
is always a winner?
Yes.